If you want sweet cars, you gotta have sweet floors. Hi, I'm Harrison Tash, professional race car driver, and today I want to show you a great space with some sweet cars. They always ask if I got the car. I always tell them, you got the driver.
This floor was designed to be more resistant to the chemicals.
Yep.
And then they actually did like an epoxy paint up the wall as well. So Dancer brought the epoxy up to, a good height to keep the water from penetrating the block as well.
Peel the paint and all that.
So this is a brand new Macan, and the customer selected what's called our full front clip package. So with being a wet application, we're constantly using water to do the install. So we requested just a little bit more, anti-slip surface for it, but it still has a really nice shine, even with that.
We wanted the high-end look to go with our high-end, market of cars. And we wanted the high gloss to give us, better light reflection. And then when they look clean, they are clean.
So this was just primarily storage for us. We had, racking along the walls, and then in this corner over here, there was a photo booth.
And you did the same epoxy floor throughout most of your spaces.
Yeah, we wanted it to be uniform from front to back, and this will hold up against all the service stuff that we do, the same as it will for detail. So
durable, and looks good.
Yep, brought the Dancer team in, and boom, they just knocked it out of the park.
People always ask me as a driver, what's the secret to your car? I always tell them, it's the surface that the car drives on. Hey, in the great words of Ricky Bobby, if you ain't first, you're gonna have some bloopers. All right.